Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel queries. Excel queries are powerful tools that connect your workbook to various external data sources. They allow you to import data directly, ensuring your information is always current. You can also transform and clean this data before it even reaches your spreadsheet, making your analysis much more efficient and accurate. To begin, navigate to the Data tab in your Excel ribbon. From there, select the Get Data option. This opens a menu where you can choose your specific data source. Whether it's a file on your computer, a database, or an online service, Excel provides many connection options to bring your information in. Once connected, the Power Query Editor will open. This is where the magic of data transformation happens. You can clean and reshape your imported data by removing unnecessary columns, filtering specific rows, or changing data types. These steps ensure your data is perfectly prepared and structured for your analysis before it even enters your spreadsheet. After transforming your data, you can load it directly into your Excel sheet. You have the option to load it as a table or simply create a connection for later use. The best part is that you can easily refresh your queries to update the data whenever the source changes, ensuring your reports are always current and accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.